Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. So I have a huge favor for you all before I get into this video. If you're watching this video now, and if you have not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also hit the bell for notifications. I've noticed that majority of the people that watch my YouTube videos aren't actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, and that would help me out a lot as I am trying to gain more followers to watching me and my scrunchie tutorials and craft tutorials. I don't know, whatever tutorial I do, hopefully you'll find some interest or something that you like from it. So if you clicked on today's video, that's because you're interested in getting some free OMG scrunchies. So when I first started my scrunchie business, I went with some professional tags that were these that I showed in my tags video, the ones that are already folded. So I made hundreds of these scrunchies with this particular tag in it, and I want to give some of these away to you. Yes, some of you lovely subscribers and followers. So I have a lot of different scrunchies that I am wanting to give away. And by the way, the look that I'm rocking today is the Zuri OMG XXL scrunchie. So you can get this off of OMGScrunchieClub.com, as well as some of these scrunchies that I'm giving away. You can get these off of the OMG Scrunchie Club website as well, OMGScrunchieClub.com, but the tags will be different. So these particular scrunchies here, I am giving them away. So I am going to cover shipping, especially if you're in the United States. I don't think it will cost too much for me to ship you a scrunchie. The thing is, you can't pick the scrunchie that you'll get. I'll just randomly pick one out of the box and just ship it to you. And since it's free, hopefully you will like it. So the only way to get in on one of these free OMG mini scrunchies, so I'm doing the minis right now. I don't think I did too many of the XXLs with the big tag, but I will do a giveaway on those as well. So the way to get a free scrunchie is to comment in the comment section below. I don't want to edit this video, so if I mess up, I'm just going to keep going. But anyway, the way to get one of these scrunchies is to comment in the comment section below, scrunchie me, and I will reach out to you personally through the comment section and get in touch with you on how to get your scrunchie to you. Now, if you are in another country, please still comment below and I can check the shipping charges for your country as well. So if they're not too expensive, I will ship that scrunchie to you as well also. I just love making scrunchies and crafting in general. So I'm going to keep this video really short today. So once again, comment below if you want one of these scrunchies. I already forgot what I told you to type in this section below, so I'll have to rewind to figure out what I said, but hopefully you're paying attention better than I am. So once again, I am Lamiel with OMGScrunchieClub.com. Don't forget to go on the website, and I hope you will be one of the lucky few or lucky many to get one of these free OMG scrunchies here. Yes, I have them laid out on the table, so at the end of this video, I will pan across the table. I just have a few. I didn't put all of them on the table because my table is so tiny. It's not big enough for all of the scrunchies. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. So here's a look at some of the scrunchies. This is not even a quarter of the scrunchies. It's just like a handful. So I have different colors, some in print, some in solids, and some of them are even prototypes. So when I first started trying to do my scrunchies, I was trying different sizes until I figured out the correct size. So yes, you may end up with a prototype OMG scrunchie, but I'll try my best not to give out too many of those because they're not as lovely as the actual ones that are the true size that I'm using for my scrunchie business. So as you can see, the tags on these will be different than the ones that I actually sell on the website, and some of these are being sold on the website as well. So in the future, you may end up with the new OMG scrunchie tag. So once again, here are some of the scrunchies that you could get for free just by following the instructions that I gave you earlier to get these scrunchies. Oh, let me add another instruction. If you're watching this video and you want one of these scrunchies, also make sure you go to the OMG Instagram page, like that page, and if you're on TikTok, like the OMG Scrunchie TikTok page too. I'm trying to grow all of my social media pages as I am not a huge social media person. So I need you all to help me out with this just a little bit until I get into my groove. And now that school is starting back up and I homeschool and I also teach online, I may not be able to post as many videos as I like, but I am trying my best to make sure I can get several done over the weekend. For example, today is Sunday, and my goal is to shoot at least 6 YouTube videos today so that I can post throughout the week. But thanks for watching. These are the scrunchies again. Go to OMGScrunchieClub.com. In the comment section, leave that comment for you to be chosen to get a scrunchie, like our Instagram or my Instagram page, OMG Scrunchie Club, TikTok on OMG Scrunchie Club, and also the OMG Scrunchie Club Facebook page. You can like that as well. I will try my best to be active on all of the sites, but most importantly, I would love for you to like and subscribe to this OMG Scrunchie Club YouTube and Instagram channel. Well, thanks again for watching. Have a good day. Bye.